So, took the Integra for a test drive with the new exhaust, and started just leaking coolant everywhere. Can't tell where it was from, so I hosed it off earlier, cleaned it off, and gonna fill it up with some fresh coolant and give it a shot. Try starting it up. Hopefully we can find this leak. I don't think it's a head gasket because the oil in the coolant, the oil is not milky, so we'll see. Got everything cleaned up, and put some more coolant in here and get her started. Crank the whole thing. Okay, my bad. Have the rest. May need to put some more in there. Looks like I do. Okay. Nothing yet. I wonder if it's like the thermostat. It's not even warm yet, so it's nothing up here that's immediately leaking. Is that it right there? That's probably it right there. Yep, there she is. You were the cause of my problems. No, wow. Wow. All right, gotta get that hose and get it fixed. Whew. I really do need to replace all the hoses, but yeah, we'll start with that one for sure. Yikes. All right, y'all. So, culprit is pretty easy to get to. It's this guy right here. It's one hose clamp here and one down here, and should be able to just pop it right off.
Got him! Got him!
Let's see. So we got the new hose here. I'll throw it back on. No problem. All right, so, ooh, I look like a crazy person. All right, so got that all taken care of. All right, y'all, pardon the fan noise right there. It's yeah, I can't help that. Anyway, got the new hose in. Looks great. Fit perfectly. It's like 12 bucks, so not too bad. Gonna fill everything up and let her rip. Hopefully no leaks.
Love you, Dad.
Love you too, big guy.
When you get back to the game,
all right, time to kick it into high gear. All right, y'all. Let's get this turned on and see where we stand. So far so good, no immediate leaks. Gotta let it warm up and then we'll see. Couple things we have to do to finish up on this car. We got to put a new oil pan on.